Today we're going to be studying mathematics.
And emerges from the second mirror.
These words sound
Be your teacher for today. Hi students, it's great to be in your class once again. I believe you really enjoyed the last homework given to you. Okay, today we want to consider another topic. We have done two topics so far in this module. We've done factors and multiples, and we have also done angles in polygon. So today we want to consider simultaneous equations. What is simultaneous? From English word, when you hear the word simultaneous, that means you can do 2 or 3 things at the same time. Let's say, for instance, I ask you to sing and dance at the same time, or ask you to blow a whistle and also sneeze at the same time. That is simultaneously. So under this topic, we'll be looking at 3 methods used in solving simultaneous equation. Okay, it's going to be simple as you follow me. Okay, we have methods used in solving simultaneous equation. Okay, what are these methods? Substitution method. Number 2, elimination method. Number 3, graphical method. So for the sake of this class, we are going to consider these 2 methods today. In the next module, I'm going to explain to you how you can use graphical method. Are we good to go? Okay, let's go. Now, let's start with substitution method. Okay. Look at this example. Solve 2x plus y equals to 4 and 3x minus 2y equals to 6 simultaneously. We are going to solve it together without separating the 2 equations. So what are we going to do? 2x plus y equals to 4. 3x minus 2y equals to 6. Call this equation 1, this equation 2. Are you following me? Okay, we want to do something here. And what is that? We want to make y subject of formula. Don't get confused with that. I'm going to explain that to you. From equation 1, make y subject of formula. How can we do that? Equation 1, y equals to 4. This 2x will move to this side. It will turn to minus 2x. So you call this equation 3. Now, the method we are going to apply now, substitution method. Another word for that word substitution is to replace. I know you've watched football before. When you discover that a footballer or a player is getting tired and you can see it on his or her face, what happened? You have to substitute that player with another player that is more stronger than such player. So that is what we are going to apply here. So what are we going to do? In equation 2, you have 3 x minus 2y equals to 6. Anywhere you see y, you replace it with 4 minus 2x. That's what substitution method is all about. So now, we have 3x minus 2. What is our y? 4 minus 2x. Close the bracket, equals to 6. I hope you get it right. Okay? Now, I want to open the bracket. 3x minus 2 times 4 will give us minus 8. Now, minus 2 times minus 2x. That one will lead you to what we call sine rule or sine law. Minus times minus will give us plus. Minus times plus will give us minus. Minus divided by minus will give us plus. Plus times minus will give us minus. So you can see what we are going to apply here. Minus 2 times minus 2x. We are going to have plus 4x equals to 6. Okay? Now, you can now collect the like term. 3x, 4x. Bring them together. Let this minus 8 go and meet its friend here, which is what? 6. 3x plus 4x equals to 6 plus 8. Okay? 3 plus 4 will give us 7x. 6 plus 8, can somebody tell me? Okay, we are going to have 14, right? 14. Now, 7x equals to 14. Now, divide both sides by 7. Both sides by 7. What are we going to get? 7x divided by 7 equals to 14 divided by 7. 7 cancels 7. X will give us what? 2. But you need to remember that we make we make y subject of the formula in equation 3. So we have to go back to equation 3. So what do we have in equation 3? We have y equals to 4 minus 2x, which is equation 3. Now, we want to find y. We've got our x. Y will give us 4 minus 2 bracket. What is x? Class, what is x? 2, right? Okay, 2. Y equals to 4. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 minus 4 will give us what? Is 0. Now, let me tell you something about simultaneous equation. It's a kind of topic that you can be so confident of yourself, as in you can check your result, whether it's correct or not. Let's check. How can we check that? We have in the equation, we have y plus 2x equals to 4. You remember the equation given to us. Y is 0 plus 2, x is 2, is 0 plus 2 times 2 will give us 4. Can you see? 0 plus 4 will give us 4. So this is telling you that our answer is correct. Okay? Now, let me give you another method which is called elimination method. Okay, class, we are going to look at elimination method. Example, solve 2x plus y equals to 4 and 3x minus 2y equals to 6 using elimination method. So how can we do this? Most of my students always love this elimination method, but I can say that it's very simple. It depends on the question given to you or the instruction given to you in the exam. Am I right? Okay. Solution. Pick 2x plus y equals to 4. 3x minus 2y equals to 6. Call this equation 1, equation 2. Now, elimination means we are going to cut. We are going to subtract. We are going to minus. Okay? Look at these 3. 3 here. Use 3 to multiply equation 1. Use 3 to multiply equation 1. What are we going to get? 2x plus 3 times y equals to 3 times 4. So 3 times 2 will give us what? 6x. 3 times y will give us 3y. And 3 times 4 will give us 12. You call this equation 3. Go to equation 2. In equation 2, we use 3 to multiply everything we have here. Now, we are back to equation 1. We use 2 to multiply everything we have in equation 2. So use 2 to multiply equation 2. So when you do that, what are we going to have? We have 3x minus 2y equals to 6 times 2. Okay? 2 times 3 will give us 6x. 2 times 2 will give us 4y. 6 times 2 will give us what? 10, right? Okay. Is it 10? No, it's 12. It's 12. Now, you call this equation 4. Now, we have nothing to do with equation 1 and equation 2 again. What we are dealing with now is equation 3 and equation 4. So what are we going to do? We are going to bring equation 3 and equation 4 together. Then we apply our elimination method. Let's do this together. Draw a line. Use minus. Why are we using minus? Because we are eliminating, and that word eliminating means minus. To take away, to remove, eliminate. Okay, there is plus here. 6 minus 6x, 6x minus 6x will give us is 0. This is minus. It's not equals to, it's minus. Minus times minus will give us plus. Remember the sign rule. 3 plus 4 will give us 7y equals to, okay, this is minus. 12 minus 12 will give us 0. 7y will be equals to 0. Divide both sides by 7. Divide both sides by 7. If you do that, y will give you 0. Okay? If y is 0, we need to find our x. How can we get our x? We can pick any of this equation to find our x. We can pick equation 3, 6x plus 3y equals to 12. 6x plus 3, what is y? Is 0 equals to 12. Okay, 6x, 3 times 0 will give us what? Is 0. Why? Because any number you multiply by 0 will give you what? Is 0. If you say 10 million multiplied by 0 will give you what? Is 0. So, 12. What are we going to do now, class? I want you to help me out here. Can somebody tell me what we are going to do now? Okay, we divide both sides by what? By 6. Divide this by 6, divide it by 6. X will give us 12 all over 6. Can somebody divide 12 for us by 6? Okay, 6 equals to 2. So, x is 0 and, y is 0 and x equals to 2. I hope you're enjoying this class. In case you find it a little bit difficult, in which I know that you will not find it difficult, but in case you find it difficult, you can send feedback to us through the WhatsApp number rolling on the screen. We'll get back to you. We'll surely get back to you. And you can also watch this video all over and all over again. Okay, before we leave this class, I want to give you work to do for me at home, as usual. Homework for today: solve the following simultaneous equation using substitution method. A, 2x plus y equals to 10 and 3x minus 2y equals to 5. B, 3x plus 3y equals to 20 and 4x plus y equals to 10. Number 2, solve the following equations simultaneously using elimination method. A, 3x plus 2y equals to 10 and 4x minus y equals to 20. B, 4x plus y equals to 2 and 2x plus 5y equals to 4. I believe you are not going to find this homework difficult, because I trust you can do it. Thank you very much. Happy to see you next class. Au revoir.